Okay. Good day to you too. What is your number? I'm so sorry.
Number 4.
The number that you
Number
picked,
9, sorry.
The number that you picked is number 9.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Okay, candidate number 4, here's your question. What is your opinion on the role of public-private partnerships in addressing social issues in the Philippines? I repeat the question. What is your opinion on the role of public-private partnerships in addressing social issues in the Philippines?
Yuki, do you want me to translate?
It's okay.
Okay.
You know what? As a Filipino citizen, I think what we need in our country is actually UFO, not the alien. I am talking about understanding, forgiving, and to be optimistic. We have to understand that our politicians is doing their best to make our country progressive, and the private and the public sectors is now conniving to make it work. And we have to forgive ourselves as a Filipinos. Yes, indeed, meron po tayong mga pagkukulang. Dahil tayong mga Pilipino, ang sakit natin ay magturo kung sino ang may kasalanan, kung bakit unti-unti bumababa yung ekonomiya, kung bakit naghihirap ang bansa natin, pero nakakalimutan natin na tayo mismo sa ating mga sarili ay may pagkukulang. And last but not the least, we have to be optimistic. We have to think more positively sa magiging outcome ng ating bansa kung tayo ay magtutulong-tulungan. Mapa-public sector yan or private sector yan, for as long as we are all one Filipinos and we will work hand in hand, then we can make this country a better country that we can be proud of. Thank you and good evening.
Okay.